Hello everyone, how are you? Well guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the movie that is Happy Father's Day to you. But before that, I would like to wish you all Happy Father's Day and Happy World's Yoga Day, right? Well, as far as this movie is concerned, Happy Father's Day to you. अब बेसिकली ये कहानी ये पोर्ट्रे करना चाहती है कि कोविड-19 में जो रोल रिवर्सल हुआ है। यूजुअली मैन क्या करते हैं इंडिया में, बाहर घर से बाहर जाते हैं और पैसे कमाते हैं, और यूजुअली जो फीमेल्स होती हैं वो घर में काम करती हैं और घर में जो भी खाना बनाना या घर में जो भी हाउस होल्ड चोर्स होते हैं वो करते हैं, राइट। या बहुत सारे केसेस में आजकल ये हो गया है कि फीमेल्स भी वर्क करते हैं, तो उसके लिए वो मेड वेट का सहारा लेते हैं। दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर। व्हाट आई मीन टू से यहाँ पे कोविड-19 के कारण मोस्ट ऑफ द फीमेल्स, ज़्यादातर फीमेल्स नर्स वगैरह होती हैं, राइट। तो इस केस में जो फीमेल होती है वो नर्स होती है, वो वर्क पे जा गई हुई है, और उसके जो फादर है होम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं ना। ये वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, अलॉन्ग विथ ही इज़ केयरिंग हर डॉटर। आई मीन मतलब उसकी जो डॉटर होती है उसकी खाना, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर और थोड़ा सा उसके साथ खेलना भी, ये सब चीज़ें मतलब अच्छी तरह से प्ले कर रहे हैं। तो यू नो व्हाट, इट्स नॉट लाइक वी ऑलवेज ब्लेम टू द मेंस आर वेरी इनफ्लेक्सिबल, वो वुमेंस के साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करते हैं। ये थोड़ा एक स्टीरियोटाइप हो जाता है, ऐसी बात नहीं, बट इट्स नॉट राइट टू जनरलाइज। इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट few men who are stereotyped, who thinks that doing any household chores is a bad thing or makes them inferiority complex kind of thing. This is not the right thing. So for this kind of people, I can't say or I can't do anything for this. It's just a matter they are not broad-minded people, right? So but many men do cooking, they do so many household chores, and I don't think so this is something what I need to portray or tell you, yeah, this is a good thing or my, this is something what an obvious thing, nothing wrong in this, and there is no issue, there is no any sort of yeah, inferiority, this or that kind of natak. This is insane, this is horrible, right? तो यहाँ पे भी इस मूवी में यार वो बंदी उसकी जो मम्मी है उसकी आज बर्थडे भी है, तो वो फ़ोन बार बार करती है सो दैट सी कैन विश हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मी, बट लेकिन वो फ़ोन नहीं उठा पाती है, या आउट ऑफ रेंज, या नेटवर्क के बाहर है, या स्विच ऑफ है, दिस और दैट तो दिखाता है, क्योंकि सी वॉज बिजी, या सी इज़ she is a frontline warrior. She is tackling COVID-19 patient, and it's not so easy. I mean, you are still is carrying over this, because you have your own family and you have to keep yourself, refrain yourself from COVID-19 infection. Along with that, you have to work as a PPT kit में के साथ काम करना is not so easy. Even just to wear this mask is like, the news stories is like somebody choking your throat, and oh man, what is happening? So this is something what is not so easy for any person to do. So here it was a good movie. It was a good movie where the role rehearsal, the way the man played this role is very good. I mean, basically this movie is trying to portray that don't take men for granted. They can also survive, in any situation where it doesn't matter. The role has been reversed, but their intensity, their way of doing anything is the same, and they are equally responsible towards their own family. So not every person is as bad as far as our society is concerned. You will find this kind of stereotype kind of thing is like stigma kind of things, like men's don't bother about their family. They always just take care of himself. They don't concern about their wives, this or that. I don't think so. Millions of fathers are very good. I mean, they understand this thing. Just because of the few minor, minor number of people having this stereotype mentally. For that, just because of this minor number of people, you can't generalize this kind of stereo mentality for everyone. So this is all I just want to say, right? So this is a good movie to watch, worth movie to watch, and you can learn a good thing from this. Whenever any odd situation comes, I don't wish to come, but whenever any worse situation, if you face or you are facing, so role reversal is a good option, and nothing wrong in this. By doing household chores, that is not going to diminish your level. It's just a matter you are doing a work, that is something what there is no any sorts of like this is something what only made for the female, or this is something what only made for the male. Is any this is a unisex work. I mean, any person can do, right? So this is me signing off from this video. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Have a great day.